Spice Diana is a great artist and a component in industry. One of a kind. She's one of the few artists.
Mu maaso mutwale mu maaso ne muyite mu maaso ne kamera nti muyite mu maaso ne kamera mukwata omuyimbi kiki jawano genda naye Emma genda naye Emma genda n'omuyimbi Lia wagenda otulaba mutwale Lia genda wagenda otula wewa
abafuna opportunity okolaborating with Spice. Bajukize nti nga 10 January tujje tuwagereka Spice Diana bambi mujje okawagire bambi kana kaine empisa kana kakabi mukimanyi ekyo namwe ndowooza mumbeereyo mukimanyi tikana kakabi. So big up on the Spice Diana, social media, mwena media yona mwebale nnyo kuwagira mwebale kutuusa bubaka eri bafanyi baffe tuwagala nnyo. Big up on the soul.
Thank you so much. Another round of applause for the B2C. Yes, please.
To the sponsors around, we are also celebrating 10 years of B2C in May. So please, you're welcome on board. Nothing to drop said. Thank you.
All right. Spice abamulekeddeko bangi nnyo naye Mike ngenda gizaayo wa sister wange Rema Namakula. Obugalo bwa Rema yekikolayo byakayimba wangi kale let's hear from Rema Namakula.
Jango tule
temumulaba mumwagala wa ate yafulumye
emyaka gyejo banange mwena tubebazokkera wano mubeerawo Spice buli ali wano. Thank you so much abamawulire Spice Gadgets abayimbi mwena, thank you so much. For sponsors mwebale Spice njena namuyita baby girl because Spice ali real. Ebikondo gy'abayimbi gina mizibu. I for one, sitting in era it's rare. Ndwawugamba nti nsanze nti ndinekunde sibalinaako obuzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer to bring out this. I think you need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. Nga bwe mbagambye nti waliwo ebyedda nasooka agamba generations ez'okubazaawukana a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu by'oba totwalanga by'amaanyi. You're like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Chiba chimala, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer gonna funa mantambula naye. I think Spicy, I'm more familiar. Like, you know, you need a photographer, no several contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, about connecting it. That is selfish. I tell you, you know, but Spice, thank you for being real. Tell you that you are. Ate bambi kabagaliza ndozera kintu selfish. Nekirala in this industry, womukyala, as a young woman, young lady, the Spice. Openings nnyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano baali bateekeddako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga wonyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu. Ekintu akyongeddemu and then you're like, ooh, you know, not like an industry puller. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry yeyongeddemu ko there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz, you know, she has branded herself so well. You know, not only that, omuyimbi is not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako yadde tuli bakulubo. Okitegeera, there's some things you see, n'ogamba, akaana kano nze nkaita akaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabi. You know, nekakuba ekifaananyi nga kya tabbu nga ne Beyonce tannakifulumya. Just saying, honestly, you know, I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. Webale kugatta abayimbi abasinga obagatta. I don't know how we do that. Abantu abasinga bakolagana naawe in ways of, you know, they come to your home, they're close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Abayimbi tulina obuyisa bwaffe. Buli alina obuyisa bwe. But okugatta abantu in one place, it means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10th January, we're truly to support you, baby girl. I have my table one, you know. Yeah. Kubanze ku concert yange, when I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you. Thank you for being who you are. Nakama jachi kubanira choma chobesale. Kali bana imwe balene.
Thank you so much. Angie. Reva kaimba cha.
Wewe mwenyewe ni kama kaina vibe yako.
Wanji? Tankwe Mike.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, bakaita Dr. Ali. Twali mu studio nga kayimba ndowooza kurema. And Dr. Hamza.
Go ayimbira Hamza kayimba. Spice. So toina kali specific.
Obiba usinga mwagala.
Okay.
Baby boy unsanura, unekulaba kwa sanizana. Baby boy unsanura. That was a hit.
How about tukakole remix?
Baby Jamondabe. That was a different vibe. Baby Jamondabe. Mokwano Jamondabe. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema Namakula. Another round of applause for Rema. Spice webale nnyo kugatta bayimbi. Rema kyayogedde kikulu nnyo. Every time Spice has an event is where you find artists wadde nga tebakwatagana naye ojja basanga mu kifo kyekimu always. That's a very good virtue ekwataganya abantu. It's not very easy mu industry yaffe si kyangu nnyo. Kale, let's go to one last person, then Diana ajja kwogera ate nzizireyo eri mikwano gye because mingi nnyo. Let me pass the mic over to
Diana, I'm so proud of you. Into Otose for something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business. It is not, hey, how are you guys? You okay? Temondala? Zembalaba? Yes, I hope you're okay. Now, Diana, I'm so happy for you to be here, that you're celebrating 10 years in the business. And I'm so happy to here to support you as you celebrate your 10 years in the business. You're my friend. In fact, you're my gango. People don't know things. We share things. not Lugamwe, but real things. Me and Diana share things, and she's a very good friend to me. Eda mutawanyanyo, and she knows it. Eda simyange wajira baba inojikwata amanya, it's urgent. Tachwala for granted. Eda wajimi singa. She calls back and says, Carol, are you okay? I found your missed call. So it's we have very many friends in the industry. Me, I'm friends with very many artists. In fact, every artist, but it is unique and funny how I found a very good friend in Diana, and I don't take our friendship for granted. I respect it very much because she also respects it a lot, and I see it in her. We are friends into the 20s in every way. And Diana is very, very real, Banange, and you guys, real knows real. Because me, I'm the realest person. So being Diana's friend, it's not by mistake. I'm her friend because she's a real person. She'll tell you to onyomye, and she'll tell you onyomye. Like in your face, Natach Quest. So it's why I like her so much, and she tries so much. Like Naga Bane Karo, Gezako Chino, Kale Wapenanga no Muto Nene, Sibifa Konyo. Naya Vero Mulabanga, Fakonyo, try this, try that. She's a person Abedanga Pugatako, and every time when we meet, we talk about Zitu Zimba. It's rare for us to talk about Evitatu Zimba. We're always talking about Chid Dako. It's why we managed to have a song together after being friends in a very short time. Because we came close in a short time, and then boom, we had a collaboration together. Because every time we are together, we're talking about how do we get from here to there. And thank you for being that kind of friend. So, come 10th January, I am gonna be there, like your sister, like a good friend to you, like you are to me. And you have my table there. Mama Sao, very much. I'm going to make sure I move around with you when I can too, so we can source more tables together, because I know you would do that for me as well. So I wish you all the best. Come 10th January. Please come and support Spice Diana, Spice Mommy, and the media. Wanje? I confirm what? Okay, you want me to pay for the table from here? Then I don't want this to be about me. That's how I was brought up. Today is about Spice Diana, and I'll pay for her table. It's not about what is happening today. So I'll pay for my table, and you know I will. And I'll pick Masao, and I'll support you, honey. And I'll make sure to Jabanji and the media houses, please, let's push Diana's concert like nyo. So Ajfunamo in a good way. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Carol. Tebaawo tutandise zitunda edda abayimbi bajjanga backstage kuyimba ebintu bigenda bikyukira ddala artist supporting fellow artists which is a very good case. Actually Spice Diana ne team ya source management bazenga bagula tables ez'enjawulo kubivula ebyenjawulo ebyabayimbi bannaabwe, so it's a good gesture to see that love coming back to her. So every artist in the building aguze table bambi mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Okay, sawa ndowooza tusooke tuwulire